Hey guys, so I am here to talk about day 4 new coach training, vital behavior number 3. And it's invite, invite, invite. And it actually has 3 parts to it. We're going to talk about each of those 3 parts. We're going to dive down into each of those parts. So the first invite is actually starting conversations that have nothing to do with Beachbody. The first invite is inviting to a conversation. This is where you go through your Facebook list, you go through your yearbook, and you find people that you haven't talked to in ages, and you say, hi, how are you doing? It's been forever, what are you up to? We call these reach outs, and they're just simply saying, how are you doing? I'd like to connect. I'd like to see where you are and what you're up to. We don't bring up Beachbody. We don't bring up challenge groups. We don't bring up fitness online coaching. We just talk to people because in a world where we're so connected, we are more disconnected than ever. So this is a first of a process that will get you to the other 2 invites. But I want you to today go and find 5 people you haven't talked to in a while and ask them how they're doing. Say, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're having a great day. What have you been up to? And see who writes back. It's really cool to get those messages yourself in your own inbox. Think about how it would feel to have somebody say, hey, we haven't talked in forever and you're on my mind. How are you doing? So that is the first invite, just starting a conversation with people. And that will start the process. And we'll talk more about how it continues to flow in the next videos.